Sharma, class 8th, mathematics, chapter number 23, that is data handling 1. In that exercise 23.2, question number 1, marks obtained by 40 students of classes 8 in an examination are given below. These are the marks of students 40. Divide the data into 5 groups, namely 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25 are prepare a group frequency table. Now we have to make the frequency table with the classes, that is 0 to 5. This interval we have to take, and then tally marks and frequency. Now here I had drawn the frequency table with the marks with interval, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Now let us see the number and just marking tally marks. So 16. So 16 is between 15 to 20. So it is here. 17 also here. 18 is also here. 3 is between 0 to 5. So 7. 23, 18, here 18, 30, so 13, 10, 21, 7, 1, 13, so we have to mark it here, 21, 13, 50, 19, 90, cross, 24, 16, cross, 3, 23, cross, 5, 12, yeah, 12, 18, 8, yeah, 12, 18, 8 and 12, again 12 here, 6, 8, 16, yeah, 5, 3, 5, 0, 7, yeah, 9, 12, 20, 10, 2, 23. At last 23 is there. Now count in tally table marks and write in frequency. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 5, 9 here. 5, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 6. Now total is, so if we plus it, the answer will be 40. Okay, this is your frequency table. Now question number 2. Question number 2, in that here the marks scored by 20 students in the test are given below. That is the marks. Complete the following frequency table. What is the, first of all we will complete it, okay, then we will do this one, second part. So for 54, so between 50 to 60, 54 is there, so here, then 42, 68, 160, 56, so 56 is here, 62, 71, 78, 51, 72, 53, 44, 58, 47, here, 64, 41, here, 57, here, then 89, 53, 84, 57 again here. Now we'll count and write it here. Now this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, and 2. If we'll plus it, then it should be a 20. So 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 12. Total is 20. So what is the class interval in which the greatest frequency occur? Now in which class interval the greatest frequency occur, which is 8. So which class interval? 50 to 60. So answer is 50 to 60 interval. Okay. Here which is the greatest one? 8 is the greatest one, and we have to write this class interval because we had asked the class interval only. Now question number 3. The following is the distribution of a weight in kg of a 52 person. Now here we had given the class interval and the person. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find out what is the lowest limit of class 50 to 60. Wait, see, here we have to find lowest limit. So lowest limit here is 50 because it is starting from 60 and maximum is 60. The lowest limit is, highest limit is 60 and lowest limit is 50. So answer is 50. Whichever the starting part, that is the lower limit. Now question number 2. Find the class mark of the classes 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Now here what we have to do, just add it and divide by 2. So class mark, what we have to do here, we will do class marks equal to 40 plus 50 divided by 2, which is 40 plus 690 upon 2, that is equal to 45. Okay, and for the second one, class marks equal to 50 plus 60. Both we have to do differently. So 50 plus 60 upon 2, which is equal to 110 upon 2. So equal to 55. 55 is the answer. So first one limit is 45 and second class marks is 55. If you had given the class, you have to find class marks. So we have to add it and divide by 2. Now what is the class size? So size, we have to find the size. So take the first limit, right? Then 40 minus 30, which is equal to 10. So your class size is 10. Okay, that is we have to find with class size. Class size is equal to first limit 40 minus 30 equal to 10. Okay, interval we have to find, and class marks equal to whichever your interval given, that is 40 plus 50 divided by 2. Now question number 4. Construct a frequency table for the following weight in gram of 25 mangoes using the equal class interval. One of them is 40 to 45. Now we have to take that is 40 to 45 first interval. Not a first interval because here 30 is also there. So we will take first interval, that is 30 to 35. In that 45 or 35 is not included in this interval. Okay, if your number is 45, we can't write in that. We will write in 45 to 45 to 50. In that we will write. Okay, last interval we don't have to take in. Now see, I had taken the interval that is 30 to 35 because 30 is also there, 32 number is also there. So I am starting from 30 to 35, 35 to 40. This interval I had taken. Now the one that is 30, so we will write here. We will not include 35 here, we will include 35 in the second class. Not include 40 over here, 40 will include in third class. Okay, so 40, so 40 is in third. Then 45 in 4th, 32, 43, 50 will include in this. Then 55 down, 62 here, 70 will include here. 1 to 70 is there. 61, 62, 53, 52, 50, then 42, 35. So 35 in second one. 37, then 53, 53, 55, 55 over here. 65, 70, 70, 73, 74, 70, 30, 45, 74. After that 45 here. Then 46, 58, 59, 60, 62, 74, 74 it will come here. Then 34, 34, 34 here. 35, 70, 68, last is 68. Okay, now we will count and write it here. That is 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, 7. The total should be, that is 35. So let us count it. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 2, 27, 28, 28 plus 7, that is 35. So total is 35. Now frequency table completed. Now what we have to do, question number 1, it is asked that what is the class marks of the class interval 40 to 45. Now for class mark, what we are doing, we are plusing that. So first one answer is class mark equal to which interval, 40 to 45. So 40 to 45 plus divided by 2, which is equal to 4 plus 4, 85 by 2. Okay, and that the answer is 42.5. Okay, we have to divide it. Now second one, what is the range of the above weight? Now range we have to find. Now range means highest value minus lowest value. Here which one is the highest value? Highest value is here in this we are given the marks 74, so which is equal to 74 minus lowest is 30, so 30. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 7 minus 3 is also 4. Now third one, how many classes are there? How many classes are there? Just count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 classes. Question number 6. Mark the score by 40 students of class 8 in the mathematics are given below. Now these are the marks. Prepare a frequency distribution with the class size of mark 10 marks. Now here class size, that is should be 10 marks. So how to take, that is, if we are taking first number as lowest, that is which if we will take 20, so 20 to 30 should be there. So their interval should be between 20 to 30 is 10. Okay, the difference should be 10. So we will take first 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like this way. So let us do it. Now these are the class interval. Now we will do the tally marks. That is, first one is 81. So 81 is here. We'll do with pencil only. Here 81. Then 55, 55, 68, 79, 85, 43, 43. So this way we will do it. So I had completed this. Now we will write frequency, count and write 1, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 and 3. So total should be, that is 40. Okay, if we'll count 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 8, that is 15, 15 plus 8, that is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 9 is 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 plus 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so that is answer is total is 40. So total is 40. Now question number 9. In question number 9, construct a frequency table with equal class interval from the following data on the monthly wages E of labor to 28 laborers working in a factory, taking one of the class interval as 210 months, 210 to 230. 230 is not included. Okay, so we don't have to include 230 in this class. Then we have to make the frequency table. So let us do this. Now see, here we have to do telemarks. So 220 means here 220, 268, 1, 258, 258 is also here, 242, here 210, here 268, 272, 242, 42, yeah, 311, 290, 290 is here, 300, 300, 220, 390, 320, then 320, not here, 320 is here, 319 is also here, 304, so this one, 302 here, 318 here, 306 here, 292, that is also here, 254 here, then 278, 278 is here, 210, 210, 240, 240, 280, 280, 316, 316, yeah, 306, 215, 215, 15, then 256, 256, yeah, 236, 236 is here. Now count and write, that is 4, 4, 5, 3, then 5, 6 and 6. So what we have to write, total should be, what it is, 28. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 6, that is 30, 16 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 1, 32. 22 plus 6 is 28. Thank you for watching this video.